I was very scared first to hold the rat like this. Will I manage to work with rat? These rats are going to eat my ears, my friend. We need to make the world a safe and better place to live. I'm doing this job from my deep of my heart. We start working early in the morning from 6 o'clock. Why we start working early in the morning? Because the rat don't like to work under sun. Loading the rat in the transport cages, ready to go to the minefield. When I came here, trust me, I was very scared first to hold the rat like this. I said, will I manage to work with rat? I found people playing with rat, putting rat like this. I said, wow, these rats are going to eat my ears, my friend.
Na baadhi wanapenda na wao waweze kufanya kama mimi, lakini wengine unawezaje, unaogopa. Naambia panya ni rafiki kabisa, wamekuwa rafiki. Nikaambia ukiwafundisha panya ni rafiki na ukiwapenda.
Kazi yangu nawachukua, naweka dume na jike, panya dume na jike kwa ili waweze kuzaa. Baada ya wiki 5 kuzaliwa, huwa nawachukua na wazoesha urafiki na binadamu.
This animal had never been a pet before. Now, why we socialize? We socialize them to create friendship, to create social environment. I mean, I need to trust the animal. I need to trust the rat. But the rat should also trust me that I am a very, very good friend.
These giant African pouched rats collect food in their pouches and then store it in underground burrows to find it later on based on their olfactory sense, on their sense of smell. And this searching for objects hidden underground is, of course, something which is really close to the landmine detection task.
They harness the rat and put on their legs a rope, so that that rope will be leading the rat to go. They have tape measures. They'll put in a box of 100 square meters. They step from 0 to 50 centimeters. 50 centimeters, 50 centimeters, until they finish 100 square meters. They will be working in zigzag, but following the tape measurement. Some of the boxes have landmine, but some of them don't have landmine. This is because of the training procedures. No, this African giant poacher rat, nicknamed hero rat, when they are approaching the area that have a smell of TNT, where there is mine, some can groan before scratching, some can start sniffing on the air, and then start scratching. Those are just behaviors of the rat. Of course, have something to tell to the trainer. Here there is something, you know. Now, because there is science in these training boxes, the trainer will know, yes, the rat is correct, there is mine. And then the trainer will activate the clicker, telling the rat that what you have been doing, you are correct. Please stop what you are doing, come back for your reward. The accuracy of this rat is very good.
The beauty of Apopo is that we train, wherever we go, national people to become experts in these detection rats technology. And that creates jobs. And that solves at once several problems. Social, economic, it builds peace, it builds public health, and it simply provides equal economic opportunities.
Kwa hiyo tunajisifu kwa kazi yetu nzuri waliotenda panya kwa kusevu maisha ya wenzetu. Maanake mwanzoni walikuwa hawezi kufanya shughuli zozote za kiuchumi pamoja na za kimaendeleo kutokana na mabomu.
I'm doing this job from my deep of my heart. To save someone's life is a prestige. Life is only once. If you get it, you get it. If you lose it, you lose it.